again. It's a rich thing.
Hey y'all, I'm back with another video, and today we're working with Wiggins Hair. We have an HD lace unit in 26 inches and these other goodies it came with: an edge brush, some wig caps, a cute scrunchie, and a melting band. And this is the cute bag it came with. And here's the unit. This is a 13x6 straight unit, y'all, and I love this. It comes pre-plugged, pre-bleached, and yeah, so let's get into this install. Okay y'all, so this was an easy install today. I'm not gonna do too much talking. It's pretty self-explanatory. Right here I'm just cutting off the extra tabs on the lace so that it fits around my ear comfortably, pulling out my sideburns, and yeah. So y'all, I know now that apparently Even has been canceled for a while now because they were racially discriminating against people of my, you know, African Americans, black people. Yeah, so there was a black lady that worked at Even, and they were basically doing that to her, racially discriminating against her, and I'm just not figuring out that information. And Even has been canceled for a while now. I don't know if it came back. I don't think so, but I didn't know it was canceled. But I'm sorry y'all, I did pay my money for this can, and this is all I have right now until I buy another wig spray. So I am gonna finish this can, but from here on out I will find another brand to use. Now I'm just gonna push this in. I love a pre-plucked and pre-bleached unit because look at that. Yeah. So yeah, can y'all leave any wig spray, lace spray that y'all recommend down below in the comments? Because if I gotta move on from Even, that's my go-to and it works really good for me. But I mean, I'm open to trying new products, but I just need some that work as good or better than Even. So yeah, y'all let me know in the comments. Right here all I'm doing is taking my wax stick and my hot comb, going in sections and flattening out this hair, getting it super flat at the top, how I like my units to look. And I do go in small sections to ensure that it's as flat as it can be.
Can you do that?
This is called paper chase.
I knew you were gonna hit up my line. It was only just a matter of time. Was it a case of my upside down your mind? Cause something about you just stayed right. You told me that you will come see me later. Maybe you were trying to be sweet. Had me clutching on my pillow, checking though it know what you want with me. Where did you come from, baby? And why did you keep bringing me down? 'Cause if you don't want me, baby, then why did you keep me around? Boy, I don't want no drama. I got to move on in life. I won't let you cause me trauma. You just want to waste my time. I think you in a minute, only when I run me in it. In deep, I just wanna hold you so you confused. And clean my room for hours. You better don't do the flowers. Your love is bliss, but I know you
Okay, y'all, I think one thing that I've learned with doing middle parts and baby hairs and like the whole Bluetooth edges thing and people not liking their edges on their middle part wigs is sometimes when people have a lower hairline and they try to put their wig like lower with their hairline, the baby hairs are way too long. And I mean, this is just my opinion, everybody may not agree with me, but I think when edges are way too close to your eyebrows, that's when it looks like ugly and like Bluetooth edges, and it gives wig. So when I install wigs now, I like my edges to be like, to have like a good space away from my eyebrows, and I feel like my install looks so much better. Like I'm working on this side right now on one, plucking my edges so that they're not super like thick and too dense where they look artificial, and then also moving them away from my eyebrow. Like over here, this is way too close to my eyebrow for me, and then over here I'm just kind of like cutting it, and then, you know, just kind of playing around with it so that it's not so close to my eyebrows and doesn't look like a wig. So yeah, that's just what I'm doing. That's just a tip for me. Like, you know, make sure your edges are not literally touching your eyebrows, because I just feel like that looks very much like a dead giveaway that you're wearing a wig. And there's nothing wrong with wearing a wig, but it gets to a point where it's like, if your wig doesn't look good and it looks like it's literally just on top of your head and, you know, like you didn't lay it down right, the edges are touching your eyebrows, it just looks very like not good. I mean, for me, my goal is when I wear my wig, I don't want people to like know instantly that I'm wearing a wig. I want it to look very realistic. Yeah, that's how I like my edges. So far, I feel like it's still kind of close to my eyebrow, and I might cut it just a little bit more. Or what I might do is cut my lace back so that my edges don't fall so low. If I pull the hair from more up here and then cut this lace shorter and the edges are coming from like, you know, more so back here, which is more realistic. Because my real hairline is like, probably like starts back here, and then my hairline comes forward and probably, you know, it's like a right around here. So my edges really wouldn't go this low in real, like my real hair, but with the wig it's different because it's sitting on top of your hairline. You're trying not to pull out your hair. But yeah, I definitely recommend cutting your edges shorter and or cutting the lace shorter so that it's not so like, you know, coming down so low on your face. So yeah. Alright, so right here all I'm doing is adding some layers in the front. I wanted the front of my hair to look really layered for this look. I was kind of going off of inspiration I seen on TikTok, and I just wanted it to be really layered in the front. The inspiration I was looking at, the unit was a lot shorter than mine, so I don't think this turned out the exact way that I was like wanting it to, but I mean, this still turned out really cute, and I did want layers in the front. I just wanted the front to be shorter than the rest, so yeah. Then I'm just going in my Babyliss flat iron and going in sections, getting this super sleek and straight. And then yeah, y'all, this install is pretty much it after that. But yeah, y'all, I've been loving how a 13x6 unit looks, and then especially 13x6 straight. Like, I just really been loving that, and I low-key want to start dyeing my wigs black because I just love a 13x6. Like, I love deep lace. It looks very natural. You can do a lot of styles. Like, it's the best lace. If you have time and you, like, know how to do wigs, or if you're, like, fairly familiar with doing wigs, 13x6 is the best in my opinion. Don't get me wrong, I love my glueless wigs as well, but, you know, I like having sideburns and baby hairs and all that jazz, but don't get me wrong, when I'm in a rush, I love a good glueless wig that I can throw on, because the glueless wigs have deep parting as well. So I mean, it just all depends on the look you're going for, how much time you have and your experience. But I mean, it's not that hard to learn by any means. So yeah, this is the final look of the hair, y'all. Turned out super cute. I was really feeling myself right here. My makeup done, my blue jumpsuit, my blue nails. Like, let's get into it. The layers, the sleekness, the shine, the bounce. Like, it's just 10 out of 10, 10s across the board. Okay, so y'all, I'm rushing really bad. I'm actually about to go to brunch with a few of my friends, and brunch is supposed to be at 2:30. We're all running late and it's 2:17, but I had to get this look on camera for you guys with my makeup done and the hair done. I love a bust down middle part, especially a 13 by 6. Like, this looks so freaking good. I know I'm usually a side part girly, and like, don't get me wrong, I still am, but I'm not gonna lie, I've really been loving my middle parts lately. Like, I've just really been into middle parts lately, so I feel like I look really cute right now. I just love a sleek middle part, bone straight kind of look, and that's what I'm giving today for brunch. So super cute, super tea. And yeah, y'all, this is a unit from Wiggins Hair, and I'm not gonna lie, I literally love this. I love how silky and straight this is. I love the fullness of this hair, how it was true to length. I love the deep 13 by 6 lace, and like, I look so freaking cute right now. I love this look, y'all. I just love when my hair turns out cute, and I'm about to go somewhere too, so I just like, I love how I look. My nails are cute. I got the blue vibes going today, so yeah, I'm going to brunch, and yeah, I don't know, I just really like this look. I feel like I look really cute. So yeah, y'all, that's the final look of this install and review, and I hope y'all enjoyed this. And if you do want to get this unit, of course, I'll have the links down below in my description box to shop this unit. So yeah, thank y'all so much for watching this video. Make sure you like this video if you enjoyed it, or if you plan on getting this unit. Save this video. Make sure you leave any comments, questions, concerns down below, anything you want to say, and subscribe to my channel for more hair reviews, installs, makeup tutorials, travel vlogs, everything like that is what this channel consists of. So yeah, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Love y'all so much. Bye.